Okay, I created a virtual machine. Now I want to start this virtual machine, but when I start virtual machine, it is a small screen. Okay, better to start in a full screen mode. When you put a full screen mode start, this black screen, in the top of the black screen, press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Okay, I will show you at least one or two times. I try to show you one or two times that line. Look at sharp, look at sharp, and if you miss, I can't do anything. But okay, if you miss, I can't do anything. But just when you start the machine, immediately click on the center. So when you start the machine starts, click on the center and press the enter or space bar. So both are big buttons, right? So press any key, better to keep your hand on your enter, and then you can do it. Okay, like I'm putting in a full screen mode. I click on the center. Okay, now immediately gone. See, you can see the top of the screen. It is showing a press any key from bootable disk. I wantedly doing alt control insert. That's why it is showing multiple times. Usually it will comes once. I'm not doing anything. It wait and it will throw error. If you got this error, what to do? Alt control insert. Alt control insert. Okay, just like alt control delete only. Okay, alt control insert. So then again it will reboot and it will asking for boot from CD or DVD. Next time it will comes, I press the enter button. Okay, let it come and press enter. So it won't do that. Now the screen appears here. Okay, so the window logo is came up. Okay, you can see that window logo. Close unnecessary things. Let it come. So I am going to close this one also. So then screen will full. Okay, but better always while you are doing, you can use this full screen mode only. Okay, best is full screen mode. I close this side part now, library part. If I click, I will come back. Okay, this is the side part. Okay, now this is the my setup screen. So can you see this time and currency format? I'm going to put a English India. Never search for India. Just scroll up. You can find it slowly. Okay, English India. See, I got it. If you press I, it will go to Ireland. Okay, this is English India. Okay, and this is language install English United States. Keyboard is English India or English US. Okay, like this. Okay, remember this is the pre-installation steps. I'm telling pre-installation step: language, time zone, keyboard. First three steps. Next, this is the repair your computer. If Windows 10 is already installed, now it is corrupted. You want to go to repair options. That is repair option using CD. I'm clicking on install now. I'm clicking on install now. How much time? Maybe it will install today off only. Okay. This is I downloaded from separately separate thing. So this is STD, KMS, OEM. If you are using a OEM type of package, if you are using OEM enterprise original package you are using, okay, so then you can select it. For example, my laptop is original one. It means it came with your operating system. You buy a laptop came with an operating system, that is called a OEM package. STD means standard license, means you buy a Windows 10 operating system from market, they'll give you a license key. They'll give you a license key. That is a STD package. Okay. Last time someone you downloaded from evolution version, right? Now you want to make it as a real version, then you have to pay to Microsoft. They will give you key. insert the key. That's it. It will become a original one. So this is STD. STD means it's a retail one. So you buy it, and then you can put a key with that one. Okay, it's a separate copy. This is, it comes with your system, and this is centralized one. Like in an organization, centralized volume, what we can, volume keys are there. So several keys are there in a volume wise. So in a companies, they will buy huge license keys. Okay, so license bundle they will buy, and they will give it to all people by using KMS, key management system, or volume licensing management. Okay, so I don't want to spend more time on this one. So just click on KMS, middle one. Click on KMS. Next. Okay, people who downloaded evaluation version, it won't show multiple options, only single option only. Okay, I accept the license and terms. Next. Upgrade and custom. So I have to explain the upgrade and custom. We don't have time, but just when you are installing, you have to note down this, what is upgrade and what is custom. You must note down what is this one. Otherwise, you have to take a picture of this one, and then you can forward it also. Can we take a pics on the screen? Select. What happened? We are selected or what? What happened? I don't know what happened. Save. Show in folder. Just I want a mouse. Yeah, we got a picture. I'll forward that one to you. Okay. Upgrade means already you have a older operating system, then we should upgrade from like a Windows 8, Windows 7 is there. I want to upgrade to Windows 10. That is upgrade. Custom means you are freshly installing, or you want to remove whatever the operating system it contains. I want to remove entirely and I want to install freshly. Okay, that is custom. Okay, if you have a fresh system, custom. Okay, what I selected, custom. Okay, then you got a 160 GB hard disk here. Click on new, apply. Okay, click on new, apply. Okay, now it is divided into the multiple part. So because of UEFI, partitions are GPT partitions only. Okay, just if you click on next, the partition it start installation. So like this. Okay, up to here, what are the steps we done? That is a pre-installation steps. When are you doing this one, you must note down each and every step, because that's the question. What are the pre-installation steps? What are the post-installation steps? Okay, what are the minimum requirements? Three things. Okay, after this is installed, remaining part is post-installations only. Okay, so I want to show you something. I don't want to quit. Shift F10. No need to do. This is not compulsory. Just I want to show you something. That's why I use this one. Shift F10, because my CD content is already storing in this piece in a RAM, right? So it is already extracted. So I can use basic commands. I can do more, but I can use the basic commands. Disk part. Now it is a disk part. Now list disk. You should not do it. You should not do while you are installing. Just I'm showing. Can you see GPT star? It means it automatically GPT partition. Okay, it is automatically GPT partition only. Okay, that's it. Now I am using task mgr. Okay, go to process. Okay, this is a setup process is running. Right click, Go to process. This is my setup process. Right click. Set. There is a roamer. Okay, if you increase the priority to real time or high, it means it will install very fast. Okay, in a old system like XP 2000 time, it will install very fast. It may help you 5 minutes the time period, but now it is not that much of solution is not there. But I am pushing this thing to priority high, so it may install very fast, a little bit faster, but even though you can't feel that much, so you have to compare between two systems with priority changing without a priority changing. But this is something we like that. Okay, so I click on exit. So we are at 48%, guys. I'm going to pause Zoom recording. Okay. It will finish and it will restart automatically. You don't need to do anything. I given in a normal thing. So full screen mode also I didn't put it. Let it complete. So once it is disconnected, we will connect it again. Okay, it automatically restart. Full setup I will show you today. 2 minutes. So it's restarting. Tomorrow, maximum 9:30, 9:40 I will be available. Okay. I don't take that heat like today. I will try. We are about to disconnect. Okay. So we are about to disconnect.